So the first thing you could do to avoid the spam filters is use your company domain name or your blog domain name. That means instead of using john@gmail.com, at yahoo.com, or at hotmail.com, you'll be using john@yourblogName.com. The second thing you can do is to authenticate your domain. Now, many ESPs, just like MailerLite, allow you to do that. You have to look into the settings. We have a short guide for that. If you want to do that, just look into this article. And sometimes it might take some time and you might have to talk to your hosting company. But it's worth it, because then the servers of the world are sure that you are who you say you are, and that you own the domain you're using, or at least have control over it. And the people who view your emails, they also see that it's coming from you instead of from some email service provider. Now, the third thing is to look into your content. You can see if you're not using too many images. I mean, you can use images, but if you should mix it up with your content. Otherwise, if you only use images, many systems see your email as a blank email. You should also pay attention to the text. Don't go crazy with the color red. There's a lot of spammers use that. And don't use words like click here, special offer, sale, too many exclamation marks. All caps is like shouting. So pay attention to these kind of things. The last thing is to not buy lists off the internet. Okay, create your own list. Let people subscribe to your newsletter and send your emails to them. Because what happens with bot lists is that you buy a list, and maybe your content is great, maybe it's wonderful, but a lot of other people buy the same list, and a lot of spammers. I'm not saying there are no legitimate, there are no good people buying lists. There are those too, but a lot of spammers, they purchase lists or get these lists, share these lists among each other. And what happens is they send their spam. The spam filters see that list with those email addresses, and then if you use that same list with those email addresses, then you will get blocked by the filters. So you can read more on what I'm saying in the article. Hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in another video. Hey, thanks for watching the video. Please click subscribe, use the little bell icon. You can also catch us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and of course use the little subscribe link in the description to sign up to our newsletter. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.